YouTube. It's Gunawag, Utah's Garage and Workshop with the messy bench. But anyway, today I'm making a, what do you call it? I basically have to move a piece of furniture tomorrow, and one of the best ways to move furniture is to make a dolly for it. So, you ever move with something heavy, plop it on a little wooden dolly. Never mind messing around with, like, trying to use frickin', what do you call it? What is it? What the hell? I'm brain fart again. Try to get a dolly with 4 wheels on it, prop it up and put on. Basically, I'm moving a cabinet. And one of the things that sucks about moving a cabinet is, well, they're heavy. So I'm gonna make a little, friend of mine showed me, basically you just prop it up, put it on the freaking dolly and wheel it up the building. That's provided you don't have 22 staircases and numerous other things in your way that shouldn't be there. But for all what do you call it, parts, for most people you shouldn't have that problem. You shouldn't have 60 million things in their way. Not most people, but some people shouldn't. But basically, just I'm going to take 4 casters and put them on this little square frame, roll on the ground. I'm going to prop it up on it and just roll it out the building, because it's a small desk guy. It's actually, it's like an office cabinet I bought off somebody, and I'm using the laundry room in my house. So let me pause this for a second here, and I will. Basically, I'm doing a simple little square. Nothing too high tech, nothing too fancy. Just this. That's all it is. See, just a little square using old screws. I'm not just using 2 screws, by the way. I'm just trying to get it all kind of plumbed together first before I put more screws in it. Sometimes you just, gotta plop it up. Anyway, I'll stop it here for a second. I'll do this and I'll show you what wheels I'm putting on it. So here you go. Hello YouTube, it's me again. Basically all I'm doing is same thing as before, only now taking these casters and hastily putting them on here, because yeah, of course I need a different size screw head. So give me one more second, I'll be right back. Let's see, click that off. It's me again. Excuse me, I gotta change drill bits here. There we go. Can't use the tiny drill bits. I'm just putting some oversized screw heads in there just to hold it. Doesn't be perfect. In fact, nothing has to be perfect about this. It's basically going together, getting used once, and then I'm dismantling it, because I don't really need this all week long. So basically, where the hell did that screw come from? Oh, there's stuff stuck in here. Great. It's a washer stuck in there. So yeah, I'm just screwing about all the that one here, right about in the same place. I gotta be careful where I put it, because there's a lot of screw holes and screw heads and things that are stripped, and these boards are really old. But yeah, we're basically gonna take a dolly. I'm not carrying, it's the reason why I'm using this is because the shelf's about maybe 4 feet long, 3-4 feet long. So if you're trying to carry anything long, you take the dolly, you flip it up, throw this underneath, prop this up underneath the shelf, and just wheel it out of the building. And like I said, that all depends on if you have a space that has level flooring, if everything is perfectly even. Like, there's a bunch of factors. If you're using old concrete, on old concrete or driveway or whatever, you'll need wheels like this with rubber on them. But who the hell has rubber wheels to use temporarily? Not many people. I would like to get one of those big giant rubber ones, but Sometimes they're like 20, 30 bucks each. But this is why I like doing YouTube videos. I mean, I get to share all this weird crap I do. And I'm not gonna videotape us moving it. I'll take a picture of the shelf and add it on to the video, but nah, we don't need a boring video of me moving a shelf with a friend of mine. We don't need evidence. Just kidding. Oh, imagine that. The wheels are made in China. Oh, wow. Fancy Chinese wheels. I'm sure everything, half the shit in here is probably made in China. Alrighty, there we go. Come on. Ta-da! So now what this will do is allow it to roll on the floor. I don't know if you can. I'll put the camera up and show you. I don't know if you can see that. See? Drop it on there. Boom. Done. Enjoy. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Short little video. Enjoy. How to make a little thingamabobber. And now I can turn this damn thing off.